كان يا ويد بلغام
هو كده ماشي ندي فرصة
تنبي شو ما برمول
لبيشو والموضوع
كوما
علشان يجي يرهدينا زول ولا رجل في اسم ربنا يسوع المسيح
كام كنا بوم يا كي كام تيم تشيك
وقت ده بنشيلوك وقت مختصر قصير جدا
كنا كي باسا يولاتيان كام كني وكان عضو كن برلمان
في الوقت ده عندنا واحد من البرلمانيين العضو من البرلمان
جلا عضو كن إيران ولوي مسلو ولتان جوبا تان
والعضو اللي يعزل بيمثلنا نحن كنساوي ولا تجاه برغزال في جوبا هنا
سوي نبو يفرصة
لو نحن بنودو فرصة
honorable anande ngako
honorable anande ngako
كان بكام كارونين
علشان يجي يقول كلمتين
قران في زمن مو باي
ودول بيحتفل بالزمن تماما
قران يعني باي
ودول بيحب الله شديد
جلاين تشنو مو ماريا تو بينيرك
وما بينسى كمان الحاجه عبد الريك دايرو
ثانك يو
شكرا
المجد لله في العالي
لكن يعني كمان يعني
العبد السلام بالناس الذين دين المسرة
ودورتن كقول بيننا نتوانبا
مطارنا كيرتن
المطار الموجودين هنا
وابون وبيشوبس
قصص وكل نفس المطارنه
وزير قبل الافيز قرق ما كان
ووزير قرق ما كان
ين وزير من الوزراء الى الجلمات اللي يجوكو ين متين كارن وزير
هو وزير زي ما ناس من هو يا ماشي ورا مرته ليا ويا الان هو شغال
ين انا جبت بصفتي كعضو برلمان لكن كيرانا حكومه جبتن وكاغام ريفولوشن كنا تيجرني على المدار.
أنا ما جاي بصفتي كعضو في البرلمان لكن أنا كواحد من الحكومة وأنا نادوني عشان أجي هنا كمان بركة كبير بالله.
كل ويكند كنا شان كده برضو نشين كده عن ويكند.
وأنا كمان أنا في ويكند ما قاعد أكون عندي أي حاجة يا سموني زول بتاع إن حتى الأسبوع ولا أيام الأسبوع.
كنيسة جزء من المجتمع.
كنيسة هو كمان جزء من المجتمع بيلم الناس مع بعض.
كنا نجي حكومة لو كاك كنيسة لو.
وإذا في حاجات الحكومة بيعملوا خزانة الكنيسة كمان بيعملوا.
جام مصالح.
أنا بتكلم عن هذا بقول له مصالح.
جام وحدة.
كمان بجامد.
جام استقرار.
وكمان هذا بقول له استقرار كشان ملاوي رجلي لاونهم.
كاك حكومة لو كاك كنيسة.
اللي هو نفس الحاجات الحكومة بيتكلم عنهم وكمان كنيسة الله بيتكلم عن حاجات.
أبونا جام تكون قبلة تنبريا.
القسيس يتكلم هنا قال علشان تكون قوي.
إلا بنيان كشوال فود سكيورتي بنيان كيجا.
لازم يكون عندك طعام ولا يكون عندك مواد غذائية.
أنا نين كيجا بينن سيادة يجلو.
إذا عندك مواد غذائية أنت قاعد تأكل فيكون عندك قوة علشان تقدر تعمل عمل بتاعك.
كوي جوالو مشان بنيان كيجا مران.
كثيرين من الناس شغالين علشان زول يلقى حاجة بتاعك بتاعه.
يا نيار كوي أبون.
أنا داير وأحب منكم أنتم كبوصاصة.
بسنة كنا.
لسنة ده.
يا سنة دار.
يكون سنة سلام.
ونفس الطاقات كريك ويك نفس ريال كنا.
وبنفس القوة اللي معكم ده.
ويلكم يا فور بقى يكون بقى يكون.
كده شيلوا علشان تودوا للزراعة للناس يزرعوا والناس يشبعوا.
أنا يجوا لجو كافر جوك كافر.
المثل بيقول الجو هو كافر بيكسب.
كجوك كجدان.
كافر وهو كمان ما بيعرف الزول القوي والزول الضعيف.
قرآن شو كنا لجي كوج.
والزول بيكون جهل دائما بينسى الله ما بيعرف الله.
كويك تم كافي ودور انت في جنوب السودان شعبي وغابون وسقران كنا بيابور بوكاي تجاه كان يعني
كده بالمحاولات بتاعنا للسلام انتم جبتوه كده وجهوا للزراعه علشان اذا انسان بقى شبعان فهو يقدر يذكر الله.
كوني كان كوا ولا بون كيامي ولا يرمى كيم ولا تريا.
وانتم عارفين في ناس جاي من عويل وناس قاعد يتعاون معكم انتم عارفين وضع تعاون عويل بقى خربان.
وكلا نجي أقول يا جن توباي. لما جاء نجي جور معنا لكن غضب من ذاك الشعب نجي ولا كوم يد. لما كان حصل النهب للعرب كان نازل ما قاصدين يقرأوا العرب لكن عشان الحاجة ما بيعوا قلبوا لجنود للعرب والممتلكات بتاعهم. الحكومة لما تيجي شعب يشتي. يعني الحكومة ذاك المدين أويل شعب أويل ما بيحترموا الحكومة. دقائق علي دقائق تنشيه كان. الدقائق على دولة بسيط. كنا يرى الحكومة وأنتم بسوي تلك الحكومة كيان وزير كرام تونغ بشوالنا ويكوين أبون اسم ناريان وأبون كاثوليك يعني وانا تقول بين بقولوا أو بين لأن كان أبون وكان نساء شيء وانتو أيين بيه ويابون إني أبون كاثوليك إذا أنا زول بتاع حكومة وكمان أنا قال نخش في حاجات بتاع دينية فأنا كمان الآن بدي فرصة لأخ بتاعنا كرام تونغ علشان هو كمان زول بيحب ربنا وزول بتاع حكومة قاعد يشاركوا مع بعض أنا كمان برحبه. سير وزير ويلكم وزير اتفضل في اسم يسوع المسيح.
Lekuni alej.
Reverend Fathers,
Warpa.
let me begin with our prophets,
Jaka na joktan kamele kwa.
bishops,
Kujalake kwa didiwani ni ali bishop.
Reverend Fathers,
Kujalake warpa abun ben.
and all the mothers that are in the leadership of the faith.
Kujalamar pa ben ke kitau na maadi kamich.
I'm here to join you in the REK group songs.
Ano tau tan kubarukan mat kawek na kun merit WAAK Thong REK.
I'm one of the faithful in the Catholic Church,
Yana rantok kama akut Catholic.
but I'm holding the position of the government. I'm here as the son of REK. I'm very impressive with what you have done today in Juba. When you gather together and pray together, then God is among us. There are many churches that have been built and nobody prayed there. I wish that I can get the trailer and then bring them here to Juba. Because we have people that pray under their faces. And they don't have the buildings. And those people, they have the building, but they don't have faith. One day, there was a miracle that happened in Notre Dame Church. In 2018, Notre Dame Church, in Catholic Church, in French, small gods are. We protect our position with the devils. There was a time I was in a will. I was one of the directors in Ministry of Agriculture. Before I became a director there, position was advertised. And then people refused to take that position. And then I asked why people did not take that position until the director of administration.
And he got the
I was told that three people died there. Because Musirat was working against them with power of evil. Then I said I need to take that position and let me die. So because I know that there is no power under God, that is above God. And then I become director. So people sometimes they fear for what they don't know. For us here, I want to encourage you that you go on with this unity. And this unity will bring out the faith. There is no faith in Europe. It came to Africa. So God is with us in Africa. And if we look at the origin of the people of God, some books says Adam was in Africa. So we are in our place. Let us be together, pray to God. And let us also put our hands together so that we encourage those who decided to make rek group for song or rek in the traditional song, I don't know properly, but I think it is a song of rek that we need to practice. And I think in this gathering, we have a protection outside there. It means that President Salva Kiir is with us because he provides us the protection. And we will go back safely. Nobody will be asked about by those who are now exercising the power of curfew. Let me come back to a few remarks on Dinka.
To you, my people,
and Dinka Bishop Mama Tabisa Akwel Ayinakol,
a woman, our mother, Pastor Tabitha Akwel Ayinakol.
A second time,
This is my second time meeting her.
General Patrus Boli.
The first time I met her, we met at the funeral of late General Buddha's Ball. I was like, question myself, can a bishop come out from a Yinakol family? But it has existed in the power of God. Because when you reflect on the life of the Sultan, all the children are Muslim except Mama Tabitha and our beloved brother Magayi. And maybe now the other people that are following them. And if I ask like that, it is like the same question people were asking. Can anything good come out of nothing? But something good came out of it. Now, Mama Tabitha, thank you very much for what you have done. Another thing I wanted to share. Forgiveness, to let go of things. For us to have the maximum forgiveness in our midst. We have many people that were killed in Medini. And these people are creating that much pain in us. And when we take their things or we loot at their properties, then we have not revenge.
And I know very well that these people run away from there. They don't like that government. So let us not chase them back to the government that they ran away from. Let us be together and then we encourage them. Sometimes we let them go to refrain from their work life, being in the job, and then they go and stay in the houses.
But
when they stay in the houses, we call them back to grow and open the shop. Because we don't have power of economic. So we are now confusing them. Let us gain the power of economic. Let us be in the market. When other people decide to close, then we decide to open. But now they are the one having that key. They close that as they wish, And then they organize the wage. So let us have a time with them so that they teach us how to limit their business. And by the way, they are our brothers. Although they have a different face. And some of them also they have been docile with the false teaching. Then when you kill, you go to heaven. And our book says when you kill, you make a sin. So it is very different. We need to endure them. That is a little thing, the remark that I want to say.
I've seen time has gone. I'm so excited that you have given me an invitation for me to come. I was having on my only Catholic church. And then I will start from today, I will return to what I normally do. I normally go to every church to pray. I normally go to in a chapel.
And African Inland Church.
I went to African Inland Church as well.
I used to pray in the Episcopal Church when I was in Ethiopia.
And I also serviced in the Episcopal Church when I was in Ethiopia. Nothing can become an hindrance for me not to go to any church that I can serve in. I am your brother and your sons are the same. I will be praying with you, and if there is such an event, you call me, I will come for the event. My last conclusion, as I am going to conclude, the reason as to why we are here. We are coming here to fundraise for us this song to be produced, and then we also take them far. Then we know the economic situation. Then the person say, if I could wrestle with a person, and this person maybe put me over dollars, then that person might have wrestled well, and it might throw me into a good place. He now think of other people's money and we have spoiled our money. That situation has distorted our nation, and also our pockets are torn. Because we don't know now in South Sudan there's no money. If there are people who are not fundraised, maybe when they return and they find anything, they may come back to your office. To conclude my speech, the pastors who have come into my office or bishops, I thank you very much. Then I say the little I have will come to my office, then I will come and pay 2 million South Sudanese pounds. God will bless you, and our lovely mother, God will be blessed for her to be doing this amazing thing, and us coming together to cooperate with her. I thank you in the name of the Lord. Let's give a mighty clap.